Hi, today I will talk about something which is perhaps most misunderstood term in our dualistic world, and that is love. What is love? Your mind would have immediately gone to that male female love. That is the most popular kind of love. Then there are other loves in the other love in the relationship, father mother, father son, mother son, brothers, loving one's own country, loving one's own religion, loving pets. So many things. So many, you love so many people, so many things, so many concepts. And you think that you are loving. You also think that you know what is love. But all that is bullshit, my dear. Because for love to exist, there should be two, a lover and something or somebody who is loved, or what is loved. I have already told you there is no two, there is not even one. The entire world is only some, wiring somewhere, and it's all story only. This you can realize very easily. For example, if you say, I love my son, then you have already divided. That indirectly it tells you or conveys the message that you don't love somebody else's son. If you say, I love my wife, immediately there is a division, you are not realizing it. The moment I say, I love my wife very much, you are indirectly conveying the message that you don't love others' wives. The moment you say, I love my religion, immediately you convey the message that you are not loving other religions. Are you getting my point? So all this love, this question of love comes only in the present. I have already told you what is the present. You created the present and you are living in that present and you are suffering in that present. Already told you. At the cost of repetition, I will again, tell. Somebody might not have seen that video. For their benefit, I will tell again. Present is nothing but you were in a state of unknowing. When you were in mother's womb and after birth also for some time, you were not knowing anything. That's why there is no memory about the situation in womb and till the creation of the present. The present is created to change the unknowing into knowing. Unknowing is a very dissatisfactory situation. So many sensations are happening, bodily and otherwise. So you wanted to give a meaning for that, meaning and purpose. So you created a you in the body, then you created some space for the body to exist. Then you needed time for events. Some events should happen. For events, the time should be there. And with that you created memory. With the help of that memory you created imagination. This is in short the creation. That is the only Big Bang. There is no other Big Bang. All other Big Bangs are all nonsense bullshit. There is no Big Bang. Only this Big Bang is there. Creation of you, a false I, time, space, memory, imagination. So this love exists in that prison only. Because for the love to exist, there should be at least two. A lover and a loved one. A lover and a loved thing. As I already told you, there is no you. So there is no question of you loving anybody. And I already told you there are no things and when there is no you in your body, there cannot be anybody in the other body also. The bodies which you are seeing out there also cannot be anything. And inside this you cannot be, I have already told you, it is only hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, potassium, calcium and all those things. You cannot sit among them. Then you can say Atma, spirit to this, that's all belief only. It's only a mental, that's also a mental creation. Nobody has seen Atma, Brahma, spirit and all those things. So this is the fundamental reason, this misunderstanding is the fundamental reason why almost all your love will fail ultimately. Because you are using a false I, a non-existent I, to love something which is also equally non-existent. Don't you understand that? He is not only this love only is creating all this confusion in your world. Have you thought in that angle? The love for your religion has created hate for the other religion. The love for your country has created hate for other countries. The love for your family has created separation between your family and others. The love for your language has created hatred for other languages. I am not against love or anything. We should understand and we should love intelligently. Now, what love you are practicing is not an intelligent love. If you practice love with intelligence, then it will be fantastic. But how many people can? If you say, I love all children, yes, that is real love. If you say, I love all countries, yes, that is real love. But how many people are doing that? How many people are doing that, and how is it possible in a dualistic world? We are living in a world of separation. In the world of separation, love cannot exist. We think that we love, but actually we are not loving. You might have also experienced that an object you loved today, you may start hating tomorrow. Then what is that love? Your love is going on changing. Isn't it? When you are a believer in the God, you will love the God. So after some time, that belief may go. You may become an atheist. Then you will not be loving the God. No longer you will love the God. Don't you see all this, mind? It's all mind made, Don't you see it? That you can see it only when you realize the fact that there is nobody sitting inside this body. That is the crux or the fundamental reason for all these misunderstandings and the kind of problems. I don't have practicing love, but you should practice the real love, not that separatist dualistic love. If you really understand that there is nobody inside you, then you will start loving everything which comes into your notice. Because then there is no separation. Once that separation, notion of separation is gone, then you will become love. You need not tell I love this, I love. No, you will love everything and everybody. Spontaneously. I am telling you, please believe. So please, try to understand. Where is that I sitting? Who is that I? If a clarity comes to that question, all other questions will disappear. There will be no questions. There will be no, there will be no worry whether I am loving, or whether she is loving me, whether I am loving him. All those questions will vanish simply. Only love will remain. You will not be there. Okay? All the best.